I don't bring you an update from Odumeje and Rita Edochie. Yes, for now we know there were waiting they happen. Wetin be name? And that Jesus come outside, come they tell us matter say Odumeje and Rita Edochie they connive together, they perform fake miracles. Now waiting at that Jesus tell us. And after that one, according to matter, they say Odumeje lay course on and that Jesus, even Rita too join lay course. And they say they no go forgive am. But now the latest update now be say Odumeje himself don't forgive Ada Jesus. And not be there end though. I no go believe her. After he forgive her, he offer him family 1 million naira for the treatment where she dey go through because of the illness where she gets. My people, una no go believe. After all this one happen, the mother, I dey talk about that Jesus, the mother, and I don't know whether na uncle, I don't know where that man even come from, abeg. They come outside, send us video, they say abeg, say may we help them find a account number where they go return that 1 million naira, say they don't want to say that the forgiveness they want. I bring and call on our side so that una go hear and una go see am with una own eyes. Because join me, make we watch Odumeje and Ada Jesus' mother.
Everything is okay. Where must don't fight a man that can help you. That's Christian alive. Well, forgive your family, the great God will forgive your family. Everything is fine. We forgive everything. And I will give your family 1 million naira now.
Call him Jericho.
I tag somebody. Say, please tag him. We don't need, me and my children, we don't need that money. What we need is that forgiveness. That's okay for us. Please, let him send his account number. We transfer the money to him, please.
Nah, una popo man. Hey, 1 million, 1M. I bet where did they see all this money from? Because I don't understand. Oh, but this one, I don't even know. You don't even pass politicians. Every day with the year figures. Where una they take see this money? I bet make una. Now I just they ask. I want to do something. Because I must test from this thing. Everybody they come outside. If no be card, this one give, this one 1 million, this one donate, that one help. I beg, where una they see am because I need them. Thank God, Odumeje. I beg, sir, thank you for the forgiveness. So make I follow them. Thank you too. But I'm confused. Something they confuse me for this whole matter as I dey here like this. Which one be the one where that Jesus mama called they talk say maybe we send her. May they send our account number. That part, no, this part alone, now be my problem. You receive money, physical cash. They give you a cash, you collect and finish. You go house. Now you come they ask us for account. I don't understand. Wait, I don't just understand. So now you they try tell us. Hey, I don't like when person try to see me as one stupid person. I'm too smart for that. So you don't forget the place where you go collect that money that way they ask for account number. If you so much want to return that money, why not take car and go and return that money? No, which one is the account number? They should send the account number so that you will send the money. It's not the money you want, it's the forgiveness you want. Sure? Some things they happen. No, who else they think this thing the way they think am? May not be saying only me. Una they think am the way they think am. If you give me something, I know one time. I know your house. Wetin remain? Taxi, so junction. And I enter your house. Hey, thank you very much. Oh, I do not want this one. Hey, take it. Or let's say you don't even want to stress yourself. As they give the man this money, as they give the father this money, how come for that same church, why you not just open mouth say, sir, with due respect to, it's just the forgiveness we want. We don't want the 1 million. Into it collect. Now una don't make the whole thing look as if una no dey after the money, say una do this one. No wonder that Jesus did like that. No, now don't they see some kind things. No, una say think am. No wonder she did like that. So, it be like say I go collect. Make her leave her like that. Make her no complete am. Something is behind. See, it gets something with these people know they tell us. Either they plan this thing or they planned it. Choose one. Which one they choose? They plan them or they plan am. Either of them. Before because I don't ready they talk say this series no they finish today part 1, tomorrow part 2. You know how many episodes? If this thing was a movie by now, they have made money. Today, we are not forgiving you. If truly we perform fake miracles, you will not get up from this sickness. Oh yeah, that one chapter close. We finish season 1. Season 2 come enter. Where even herbalists intervene. Season 3 come enter. No, they see. I bet all of una just get out. In fact, all of una make una just, all of una where they involved inside this matter make una just get out. I don't tire for, because I know understand. Everybody this one they bring this one. Every day that one they bring. When I see the same way Buhari come on hand for Nigeria matter, na so I come on hand for this matter. I beg, I am done. No. Are they very serious? In fact, I am done. I wash my hand. I give una this case. I dash una. Anything I want do concerning this matter, make una do. Because my people, I don't want me they serious like say we no get sense. You expose person. Oh yeah, they call you. You don't dey sick now. So how come 1 million enter this matter? To show us that. Make I not talk some things. Anyone when you want talk for that comment section. Me, I have washed my hand. I say it again. Anything concerning this matter, I come my hand inside. So drop your comment for that comment section. I wonder whether you agree with me. Say this thing na planned work. They sit down, strategize. Now waiting me, I believe. Any other thing where you get against that one, drop it for that side. And make sure say you share this video. May everybody know say that people don't reject 1 million naira. And subscribe if you never subscribe, because so that you know when they miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.